Here are the 5 best 12 miter saw. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Bosch GCM12SD 15-amp 12-inch. The Bosch GCM12SD miter saw is powered by a corded electric 120V, 15-amp motor with a 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade for smooth and accurate cutting performance. It has an axial glide system that offers unmatched smoothness, cuts, and precision. A square lock is installed 90 degrees to the table fence lock. Its miter detent plate has 4 screws accessible through holes that are used when adjusting the plate, and an arbor lock to keep the blade from loosening during blade installation or removal. This saw is compatible with various 12-inch blades and has a clear lower guard for cut line visibility. Number 2. DEWALT Miter Saw, 12-inch. With a powerful 15-amp motor and 3,800 RPM, power tools like DEWALT DWS716 XPS guarantee durability and extended power that will last for years. This DEWALT miter saw has a good quality detent plate and carbide blade that has 14 positive stops and is dual bevel. The LED light system needs no adjustment, so the cuts will be easier and more accurate. A dust duct is directed near the blade for utmost and high-efficacy dust collection. Lightweight and easy to carry, this DEWALT 12-inch is highly recommended by our experts, especially for heavy cutting and large woodworks. Number 3. SKIL 382101 12-inch quick mount. The SKIL 382101 miter saw is powered by a 15-amp motor with 4,500 RPM. It has a quick mounting system for easier setup on the miter saw stand. Equipped with laser guidance, this miter saw can cut fast and accurately at a certain angle. It is a bevel compound miter that can cut through miter and bevel. The head can tilt in both left and right, making bevel miter cuts from top left to bottom right, or from top right to bottom left. Number 4. Metabo HPT 12-inch compound miter saw. Metabo HPT C12 FDHS guarantees a powerful motor performance with 950W output power and a 15-amp motor. For accurate blade location, a laser system that can be easily adjusted is attached, making it easy to cut at a 45-degree angle. After securing the major bevel angle, a micro bevel knob for adjustment can be used for a precise bevel miter angle. With a double bevel and 5-inch aluminum fence, more stable and precise cuts can be made with this compound miter saw. To reduce vibration, prevent slippage and add comfort, the horizontal handles are coated with elastomer compound. Number 5. Bosch PROFACTOR 18V Surgeon. The Bosch GCM 18V 12G DCN is a high-technology saw product that comes with 2 bevel and axial glide system. It is powered by bi-turbo brushless technology for high-performance motors. Bosch also offers an eco mode that extends the battery life of Core 18V PROFACTOR by 20%. For your convenience, this glide miter saw is wireless, so you could easily work around it. For wider and smoother cross cuts, it also has a large cutting capacity of 4.7-inch depth and 15.7-inch width that is ideal for framing, finishing, and trimming.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.